So what if I told you that you could land your first high-ticket coaching client without a website, without a social media following, or without even a single testimonial? I know that goes against what most gurus will tell you, but this was exactly what I did. In fact, I landed my very first paying client for $2,200. I didn't have a funnel, I didn't have a fancy brand or any kind of proof that I could deliver results other than my own story. Too many new coaches get stuck thinking like, I can't charge high ticket until I have grand testimonials, or I need a website or a fancy funnel before I can start. Today, I'm going to show you that this is one of the biggest myths that is preventing a lot of new coaches from making bank. So if you're new here, my name is Simone Prendergast. I am a certified business coach, and I help mid-career women package their expertise into a high impact, freedom fuel, six-figure coaching business in just a few short months. So a lot of new coaches spend months trying to perfect a brand, right? They're posting content into the void, fiddling with tech, and never get a single paying client. But here's the truth. Clients don't hire you because of your logo or your follower count. They hire you because they believe that you can help them get the results that they want. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video, the 5 steps that I use to sign my first high ticket clients, even as a brand new coach without any testimonials. And if you want my full blueprint on how to build your own 10K plus per month coaching business, I will tell you how to get my free masterclass in just a little bit. So stay with me. So when I started coaching, I didn't have a fancy launch or any testimonials to lean on. What I did have was my experience. So I built my e-commerce business, and I took it to 6 figures in under a year, 10 short months to be exact. And I knew I could help others do the same. So instead of hiding behind that I'm new energy, I decided to lead with what I knew, right? I knew how to help small businesses put a system in place that would help them to get clients on autopilot and ultimately take them to 6 figures in 1 year, just like I did. And that decision is what helped me to land my first 2 clients, both high ticket, without ads, without a list, and definitely without the hype. So if you want my exact blueprint for booking your first high ticket clients without testimonials, just click on the link below and register for my free live masterclass, where I will teach you how to replace your 9-to-5 income with a 10K plus per month online coaching business. So step 1, guys, is to start with the people you know. Like, my first clients didn't come from strangers on Instagram. They came from my personal network. When you clearly tell people who you help and the result that you will deliver, warm connections work 10x faster than cold outreach. Step 2 is to give before you ask, guys. Like, I didn't sell them coaching right away. I offered 3 full coaching sessions for free, no strings attached. We worked on real challenges they were experiencing, and we created wins that build major trust. By the end, I simply said, here's what working together could look like. And they said yes to my $2,200 premium coaching package. Step 3, guys, is to use your own story as proof. When you don't have clients yet, your transformation that you have gotten for yourself is your first testimonial. And once again, the result that I had gotten for myself, which was to take my e-commerce brand to 6 figures in just a few short months, was what I led with. And this was what I could help them to do in their business. So definitely share your story openly, connect it to your promise, and let people see that you've walked the path you're guiding them on. Step 4 is to build trust in real time. Forget thinking trust is built in like flashy posts, because trust is built in conversations, DMs, Zoom calls, virtual coffee chat. When someone experiences your presence and coaching styles, the selling happens naturally. And step 5, guys, you've probably heard me say this time and time again. Sell the transformation, not your time. My offer wasn't 8 one-to-one coaching sessions for $2,200. It was the startup launch and scale accelerator, where I taught my clients my framework for taking their business to 6 figures in 1 year. Okay, so let's pull this all together, guys. If you want to start landing high ticket clients without testimonials, here's the roadmap. 1, start with the people you already know. 2, lead with generosity. Let them experience your coaching first so they can know that you can help them. 3, share your own transformation as proof that it works. And 4, build trust through genuine conversations, not just polished posts. Number 5, always package the result, because clients pay for outcome, not hours. So here's the exciting part. You don't have to wait until you feel ready. You don't need a website or ads or even testimonials to start. So your next client could come from one authentic conversation this week, okay? So if you want to see how I turn this exact steps into a $12,600 launch in just 90 days, click on the link below and register for my free live virtual masterclass, where I will teach you my exact framework for building a 10K plus per month online coaching business. Imagine this, guys. 90 days from today, you've signed your first high ticket paying client and you've been paid in full. How awesome would that be? Remember this, guys. You already have everything you need to build the life you want. You just need to start. Also, if you want to learn about 12 different income streams that you could tap into as an online coach, watch this video here, and I'll see you over there.